Over the weekend, Ethereum bounced off of structure support and is on its way back up today. Now, whales continue moving money back into the market. This is really great to see for Ethereum, and the rest of the crypto market is really enjoying the green day. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about where I think Ethereum's going next and how I'm preparing for the next move. Before we get started, for our members, we have just earned another 4% profit trade win. We are now 19 wins, 0 losses from a SHIB scalping trade. And at the same time, we actually have brand new trade setups posted. Last but not least, we have a new crypto forecast video. Travis will show you how he's managing his portfolio so he's protected and ready no matter what happens to capture profits. This is going to be a really important video to watch, and be sure to check out those new scalping trades and the trade win if you are actively in a SHIB trade. All that and more can be found with a membership at the links in the description down below. And with that, let's check out the charts. Thank you for joining me in today's video. I'm going to take you down to the Ethereum metrics. The very first metric we're looking at is the Ethereum Emotional Index. And as of today, we have pushed up into excited territory right here. This comes with a continued price move up here. I'm very excited to see this. Personally, I think we're going to move all the way into greedy before we see any crazy moves back down. Because of that, I think we could see continued moves up, at least for the next couple of days in Ethereum. Next up is the Ethereum Volatility Breakout Detector. Most often when we see low volatility, as we saw back here, we're getting pretty insane moves in the market. And I think this right here is exactly what we're gearing up to do. We've already got a pretty impulsive move here, and personally, I think it's just going to continue upwards. Over the next couple of days, I do expect volatility to rise back above the low volatility line as this move continues. Next up is the Ethereum Whale Smart Money metric. Now, this one is a little bit concerning for the bulls. Whales are more likely to be short trading right now as the price has risen. However, it's not until we see a metric value of -600 to -800 or lower that we're really looking for the next moves down. So until we see that, that'll be around this line right here. It's kind of a gray line, hard to see. Around that line, once this orange bar crosses that, that's when I'm looking for the next move down. So overall, I think we do still have a little bit of room to move up from here. Next up is the Ethereum major support and resistance levels. We have officially bounced off of structure support at $1,785.51. We've been maintaining this for quite some time and are on the way back up. There's actually a descending structure resistance that we need to pay attention to right here that connects 2,142 and 2,020. I'll show you that on the live charts, but for now, let's move on to the Ethereum long versus short trades chart. Here we are seeing long trades are very gradually increasing. I believe this is what's contributing to this move up. At the same time, this right here is a trading pattern that should play out bullish, and these increasing long trades just add to that. Personally, I think we could see a break to the upside soon, but for now, we got to look at the Ethereum daily trade scanner. We recently got a buy signal back here. It took a little bit of time to play out, but we are finally getting that move up, and with that, I wouldn't be surprised to see a buy signal right at about this point. And of course, this would correlate directly to the current move up. Now, as a crypto trader, you need to be paying attention to what Ethereum is doing. Ethereum is the second largest coin in the crypto market, so following its metrics will give you a good idea of what the rest of the crypto market is doing as well. With the membership, you'll also get access to our trade setups right here. We are now 19 wins and 0 losses with 11 trades pending. So if you're not in any trades, go ahead and check out this page. It could be really useful. You may find some trades that you're interested in. And as the prices continue moving up, we'll be looking to take some profits soon. You'll also get access to our future forecast videos. These are so valuable. Travis, the owner and founder of Trade Confident, posts members only content on this page. It's always super valuable, really important to pay attention to. So if you want to get access to our metrics, morning brew overview, future forecast, and trade setups, and many more benefits, you can find our membership at the links in the description down below. Just go ahead and scroll down, click show more, and the membership will be the very first link. Go ahead and click that. It'll bring you to our homepage. All you got to do is click subscribe up here. Go ahead and fill out your information and then choose the full access for $59 a month. This will come with metrics across all 20 coins, future forecast videos, scalping trade calls. 19 wins, 0 losses in a row is absolutely insane, with many more benefits. Just go ahead and click choose, follow the rest of the prompts, and I'm very excited to trade with you soon. With that, let's check out the live charts. Here we are looking at Ethereum on the 1-day time frame. Remember the structure support at $1,785.51. We've officially rejected and have bounced off that level. As as whales move money into the market. As of right now, this is still only a value of about 50. We're only halfway up this chart right here. And what this tells me is there's plenty of room for whales to continue moving money into the market. In fact, the previous high was a value of about 80. Again, we are currently at 50. So this is plenty of room for whale money to move in. At the same time, trend exhaustion is lower on its chart. This also gives more room for the trend itself to be exhausted, telling me that there is more room for the price to move up as well. Now, we are in a descending wedge pattern here. This is a bullish continuation pattern right here. And what this means is as we enter with an uptrend, we should exit with an uptrend as well. A descending wedge or falling wedge pattern is noted by two descending converging trend lines. Both of these trend lines are on their way down. Both support and resistance are on their way down, but they will be getting closer and closer together as time moves on until they eventually collide. Again, this is a bullish continuation pattern. So as we retest this structure resistance right here, we need to be paying attention. If trend exhaustion is lower on its chart, and if whales still have room to move money into this market, we could see a breakout, an official breakout from Ethereum, which would show huge moves in the market. This is super exciting to see. And from there, I think we could see structure resistance at $2,020. Keep in mind, we still have to break this structure resistance right here. This linear structure resistance will be around the $1,909 mark. So keep that in mind. We must reach this $1,900 level before we reach the $2,020 level. As the price moves up, in order to anticipate the top and subsequent move back down, what we need to be looking for is price versus while money flow high. We need to see the trend exhaustion high and ideally either a strong sell or just a regular sell signal. If we get all three of those, say it happens at this structure resistance right here, all three of these combine to be one of the most bearish signals you can possibly get. And with that, we would be expecting a drop. So that's what I'm looking for. And that's what I want anybody with these indicators to be looking for. Again, price versus while money flow high, trend exhaustion high, and a sell signal. As soon as we see all three of these, it's almost a guaranteed drop. If you don't have these indicators, I highly recommend picking them up, and you can grab them at the links in the description down below. Just go ahead and scroll down, click show more, and the indicators will be the second link. Go ahead and click that. It'll bring you to our indicator page. We have over 4,000 downloads and counting. In order to get the best possible deal, you're going to want to pick up the indicator bundle pack first, as this will include the trend exhaustion, price versus while money flow, several other indicators for you to try out, and a $400 off coupon for the TC top and bottom finder. In order to get access, all you got to do is click the checkout link for the bundle pack, click I want this, fill out your information, click pay, and it'll offer you the TC top and bottom finder for just $349 instead of the regular $749. This is a $400 off discount. All you got to do is click add to cart, make sure your information is all filled out, and then click pay again. Once you have the price versus while money flow, trend exhaustion, and TC top and bottom finder loaded up on your chart, as we test this structure resistance, you're going to be wanting to watch the indicators. If price versus while money flow is low and trend exhaustion is low, this is a pretty good indication that we're going to break to the upside. However, if the price versus while money flow is high and the trend exhaustion is high, especially if we get a sell signal at this point, this will indicate the next move down. These indicators help predict the future of this market. So again, links are in the description down below. Thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in the next video.